how to log out of your Twitter account on both your iOS and Android application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can log out of the Twitter application on both your iOS and Android. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm showing you this on my Android smartphone, but the process on your iPhone is also typically the same on the Twitter application. So you might be logged into Twitter over here, right? And then you might want to switch account, or you might just want to log out of the Twitter application, but you're not being able to find the Twitter application or the logout button over here. So how do we log out of Twitter? Well, in order to log out of Twitter, you might not have noticed this, but there is an option somewhere within the settings of itself. So for that, first of all, tap on the profile icon from the very top left hand side of the screen. And then once you tap on the profile icon, scroll down, expand the menu called Settings and Support here. Once you expand this menu, go to Settings and Privacy. And now once you come to Settings and Privacy, here you might not see the logout option, but we have to come to the Your Account page. And under Account, you have to go to Account Information. And right over here, you'll find the option that says Logout. And when you tap on the Logout option, you should be able to go ahead and then log out of Twitter account respectively. And that's all it takes to log out of Twitter app on both iOS and Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.